Good evening, students. I'm solving a question from NET JRF June 2020. Okay, from solid state section. So they are given a two-dimensional solid. Okay, which crystallize into square lattice. Okay, so they which crystallize into a say square lattice of side A. Okay, so they're asking that each atom, okay, each atom contributes integer number of electron. Okay, so they're asking what should be the minimum number of electron each atom should contribute so that the Fermi sphere should contain all first billion John. Okay, so if I say that each atom is contributing an electron, okay, so this is my unit cell. Okay, so I know the contribution from each atom should be 1/4. So this unit cell will contain exactly n number of atom. Okay, so now if I want to calculate Fermi radius for this two-dimensional solid, so I know the Fermi radius for two-dimensional solid is given by 2 pi by n power half. Okay, so if I put now the value of this one, that this will become out what n is the number of number of electron, okay, contained by this unit cell. So this area which will be a square. This is my radius of the Fermi sphere. Okay, now this he says what should be the minimum number value of n, okay, so that it should cover first billion John. So now let us draw the first billion John. So if I draw the first billion John, okay, so this will be what kx, ky, okay, and if I say this is my first billion John, okay, so first billion John will be from pi by a to minus pi by a. Okay, so if I calculate this distance, okay, this edge, okay, so if my Fermi sphere contains, okay, if my Fermi sphere contains this first billion John, then the minimum kf should be equal to this value. Okay, that means my kf should be greater than this value. Okay, and if you calculate this value comes out root 2 pi by a. Okay, so my kf should be greater than root 2 pi by a. Okay, and kf, just now we have seen kf is what, 2 pi n upon a square, okay, under root. If I make a square of this one, this will become 4 pi square a square. Okay, so from if you calculate the value of n, so a square cancel, pi cancel, okay, pi cancel, and this will be, sorry, 2, the 2 cancel, and I will have a n equals to, n should be greater than pi. That means n should be greater than 3.14. okay, so in the options, so n should be greater than 3.154. okay, so that means the n should be 4. okay, so should be n should be 4. okay, so in the options they are given n equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. okay, so 4 is the correct answer for this question. I hope you understand the question. Thank you very much.